Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 13th, and I have my funky pink begonia seedlings here. I also have two dahlias, one here and one here. And I just got done feeding them today, and I wanted to give you an update on them. And I believe it's this one. Yes, this one here. I wanted to show you the root systems on them. So this one here, it's getting that nice healthy root system to it. Now these seem to be a little bit slower growing than the Santa Barbara and the San Francisco begonias that I started from seed. So it seemed to take them a little bit longer. Here you can see here, sorry about that. Camera focus in. There we go. You can see the roots here coming out. So we are actually going to be transplanting these soon, because they're getting ready to be transplanted here. And we have to watch that our roots don't grow like into the next peat pellet, because they are starting to grow out. So that's something you definitely want to make sure that they're not growing together, because it's going to be a mess then trying to get them apart. Now these don't actually look that pale, it's the lighting. The camera's not picking the colors up right. I'm sorry about that. But I just wanted to give you an update on our funky pink begonia seedlings. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button, that'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye.